Yes, yes, yes. Good evening. Welcome to Cooking with Clay. Yeah, trust me. She's a simple, easy, easy one. Very easy one. Yeah. Whatever I do, I just do it from here. Yeah, I do it from here. Uh, that's just me. Yeah, with a little bit of training. All right. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Yeah. So I'm doing a simple oven roast pork. Simple oven roast pork. All right. Yeah, that's how it is. All right, here we go. Here we go. There's my chopped onion, my scallion, and some garlic. Yes. And then we got the seasoning, Mrs. Dash, to bring everything together. Yeah, we got the complete seasoning. You got some seasoned salt. You got some organic thyme. Yeah, and some pepper, red pepper. I'm using red pepper. And here goes my pork shoulder. This is my pork shoulder. Yeah, washed, clean, and prepared. Yes, chopped onion, escallion, and garlic. All right. Yes. All right. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. So first and foremost, yeah, I'm gonna punch some holes, a lot of holes in this, and some holes, yep, enough holes in this. Tell you, yeah, that's a good, some good holes. So I'm gonna put my garlic, scallion, yeah, put them all in this shit. And then I'm gonna put some thyme. Yeah, thyme on that. It's enough. Yeah. Then we got some seasoning salt. Seasoning salt. Sweet. Then we got complete seasoning. A little bit of complete seasoning. Ooh. Then we got Mrs. Dash. Yeah, Mrs. Dash. Sweet. To bring all them seasoning together. You know, it's herbs and garlic, no salt. Yeah. All right. And of course, my pepper. I like spicy. If you don't like spicy, no problem. I like a spicy. Woo! Man, I get a sip of my drink. All right. Then I'm gonna massage this seasoning in. Massage these seasoning. Yeah, them old prior made. Yeah, we put them seasoning down inside them. Yeah, kind of pack it with seasoning. Yeah. Yeah. This was how my mom grandmother, great grandmother. They all make this. Yeah. Pack everything in. Yeah. Sweet. Oh God. I wish you guys could smell this. Yeah. Yeah. You could put brown sugar on it if you wish. But for me, I don't want to put no brown sugar on mine. Yeah. There we go. That's all packed in. Yep. Something I love to put on my mine. Almost every meal, I try to put a green lime. One green lime, or even a piece. Yeah, and my almost every meal, I have a green lime. Lime is pretty good for. It's a good source to alkaline your body. Yeah, I just love to put lime in my thing. So a little bit of lime juice. Yeah. I got a seed in there. Gotta take it out. Mm-hmm. 1 cup of coffee. Yeah. Got it. Another. Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna cover this for at least 4 hours. I could leave it overnight, but cover it. Let it marinate. Let it marinate. Yep. 4 hours. 4 hours or overnight, whichever you wish. Yeah. 4 hours or overnight. See? Yeah, all the colors. That's it. Okay, now the time has passed, so let's see what it looks like, and then we go from there. All right. Wow, that's nice. Yes, wonderful. So from here we go take it. We gonna put them in. Uh, one of them pan. Yeah. Gonna put them. Ooh, shiza. Yep. Here we go. Yeah. This bowl right here. Get them to fix it up. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Right now I'm done. Right. Sealing this into the file paper. Yeah, in my file paper it's done. Yeah. See? And set my oven to preheat. Yeah. 400 degrees. Yeah. And I'll put my pork in. Okay, so we're ready. We're ready. Oven ready. 400. Woo. Well hot and nice. Steamy. Yeah. Ready? Good. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Go put it in. Nice and easy. There we go. There we go now. Wait and see. Now in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna have some fun. Right? Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah. Just got to put him in back in there for a little bit. Almost there. All right. All done. All done. Let's see. I'm gonna put it over there and I'm gonna cut it. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Now. Yeah. It's a little bit. Yeah. Let's see. Looks a little bit hard. Yeah. That's how it goes. Right there. Nice and cooked. Smelling good too. Nice and cooked. Nice. That was the making of my roast pork. Yeah.